The technology lab XP number 2. Here I have the page which I created. I'll show you the page which I created over here. This is the page, and now if I say over here I am not at registered, it will go to another page, that is page 2.html, where I can enter all the details. Like if I enter here my name, middle name, and last name, and now I can select over here my date. Some date I will select, namely mail I selected, and see address I selected something, city, then state we can select anything. Now pin code, it can be 6 numbers like 1888888. Now like that I'll enter all the forms, and now at last I can, here is a table over here. I need to fill all the tables like 10 marks, 12 mark, BTech and MTech marks, and the percentage also. And at last when I come over here, I have an option for choosing a file. If I choose file over here, what will happen is we go to the directory and we can select which file we want, and I have given a condition over here, only we can select doc and PDF, no other file is available. So that if you say submit form, it will submit. If you say reset, all the contents what I have returned will be erased and it will be in the normal form. Look away, all the contents has been erased. Now I will go back to my first page. If I press over here, this is a video which is going to be played for a few minutes. Now I have reduced the volume of this one. How I made this? This is like it's this is the logo of HP. First, this is the background, and in that I am having a division. I have set the margin so that it comes in the center. Margin left, right, bottom, and top I have given. And now I am having here over here. This is the navigation bar. Three itself, that is anchor tags are there, and one search bar is there. Now this is a table, and this table over here, these two rows are merged, and this is one column and this is another column. Now this is how it works. And here I have a radio. I'll pause the video for 1 second. Now I have a like audio over here. When I play this, audio will be played. Now audio is being played. Audio is being played like that. I'll continue playing the video over here. Now I'll show this. This is a contact. This is also a table. I created 3 rows. Actually this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Now this two are merged, this two are merged, and this two are merged. Like you can do in that way, or you can do like this is one division, this is another division, this is another division, and you can say floor left for all the 3 divisions, and then you can arrange it like this, and by giving the width of each as 30% of each division is 30%. It can also be possible. Now then over here is I created 3 rows for the table, columns for the table, and in the first column I have contactors, address link 1, address link 2, address 3, and mail ID I have given. If I press over it, it will go to the mail, and phone number simply I given something. Now if I log in here, now if I type name over here, my name and password something, when I press login, actually what is happening over here is it's coming to the next page. And also if you're pressing not at rest, also it will come to the same next page. That's what I have given over here. How I made it possible is I gave it in the form. I'll show everything. I'll show you. For the first page I'll show my code. For my first page the code is here. This is the body. This is the starting of the body. This is the head. This is the starting of the body. Starting of the body I have album packet and the symbol. That's the image. These all things are given in one division, and I set center line so that it will come like this over here, like this. Then I have then if I come down over here, I have link. for I create a navigation bar. I have 3 links and a search bar over here, and search bar is the input type text name search. Simply I give placeholder search I give so that it is displayed over here search. Then if I come down again, I have the text, that's a table over here, table which has 2 columns and one, this is merged, that code I'll show you. Here I have 2 rows and over here column spanning into 2 means that these 2 are merged and these 2 are separate. Now like this I created table tr, table ts, this full address link. Similarly on the down portion how it is happening over here, this is another portion. I have given HR is a line, and again over here if I have given a table, created a table and I given class name as footer, since it is footer, then I have 1 2 3 parts for that, and first table row is this thing, all this I given in field set, so that if we give field set, this background line will be present. If you don't give, it will not be present. And for this I will use the word use the command legend. Now for embedding this map, you will go to, for this iframe we'll go to Google Maps, we'll click the button share, and from there we'll get embed map. I will simply paste the code over here in this table so that it has been displayed. And now if I go to the next page, here comes the registration form. This is the first name, middle name, last name, date of birth and gender. All these things are in one division and this is in another division. Actually this is a meter if you, so it will be in green color. Now instead of meter I have used progress bar, so that if I give progress, it will be in blue color. Now second page I am explaining over here. This is the second page. This is the first division over here. I have till here I have the first division. I have given form submit or PHP code get, and then first name and input type is text, so that I have this text over here. And for this I give, when I press over here, one blue color is coming over. For this I have given some CSS files, and it is showing autofill. Like it is showing why it is, because I given the record field, it's auto HTML file is automatically auto validation, and since I given record over here. Similarly for I create middle name, last name, date of birth, and for gender I have 3 buttons. All the 3 buttons I have given the same name, so that when I press one button, other button will not be clicked over here. Sorry, I made some mistake over here. Now I cleared it because I gave different names. Now I cleared it. Now I am having the same name over here, because here I was having everything different name, male, female, other. Now I cleared and kept the same name, so that once it's checked, then others will not be checked. Now here I given checked, so automatically it will be checked. Similarly for I'm going a little bit speed because time is going out. Now similarly for second table, here I will use the text area for typing the text. City is same as text, typing the text. State I have here option and select. I'll show it over here. Now this is the second one, telephone, email ID, website, everything. And now I have select over here. This is the third division. The third division is this one. This one is the third division. And each time in between I am having a progress bar, which will show me, look here is the progress, and I will give the value. Value will display how much this blue color should be, and max is how much it should be, length. So I have a progress over here. Now I will show how to keep this drop down selection. For keeping the drop down selection, I have here select. I have given some class name and I have value, options. These options are displayed over here. When I press over here, these 2 options are displayed. Similarly for this division also, text field is only used and progress bar. And here for this I created a table with each table name as it's on first column. It's saying all the names. After that is table heading th I have used. After that, all these are table rows and columns. Here I'll show the code over here. It's a table, it's a grade. TH means the top heading, and this is the rows over here I have created. This is another row. This all are columns in that. This is another row. These all are columns in that. Now, if I come to the last portion, I have over here progress bar. This is the progress bar, and here I have interesting thing over here, that is attach your files. For that I'll use the same type input, and the type will be file. Here I'll say accept only doc and PDF, so that only when I press over here, only doc and PDF file will be accepted. This is also inside a non-division. And at last I given again a progress which says completed. And if I say reset, look over here, input type equal to reset. Input type equal to reset means that I'll say the value is reset. Automatically all the details which are entered will become reset. And this is the experiment what I did. Thank you.